Hello everyone, you're watching Aravind Sahayan, who is a student of SciCA Coaching Center. I've recently cleared my CA Intermediate both groups November 2020 exams new syllabus in my first attempt. And in my CA Foundation November 2019 exams, I scored All India rank 29. I would wish to share my mark sheet with you guys. Yes, so this is the mark sheet for CA Foundation exams. I scored a total of 335 out of 400 with 83.75%, with 92 marks in accounting, 75 in business laws and English, that is reporting, 85 marks in business mathematics and statistics, and 83 in economics and commercial knowledge. This got me All India rank 29. And in my CA intermediate exams, I got a total score of 476 and cleared both groups of the CA intermediate exams. Yes, guys. So I'm hailing from a state board background. I studied at the State Board of Tamil Nadu. In this particular video, I would like to talk about the 2 hour session, which is ultimate driving factor, which paved the way for my success. So, this 2 hour session is being followed by our academy, SciCA Coaching Center, for the students of CA Foundation and CA Intermediate. So, what are these 2 hour sessions? According to our approach, there will only be classes for 2 hours per day for the students. I hear it from you. You're probably thinking, how would it even suffice? It's okay for the CA Foundation at least, but how for CA Intermediate? Here are my points in this matter out of my academic experience. During the 2 hours, a full chapter in a subject will be completed. Depending upon the size and importance of the chapter may be split up into 2 sessions. The entire essence of the chapter, accompanied with a suitable and comprehensible examples, will be effectively given in the class. The approach will be to open the minds of the students, make out all the basic and noteworthy points which will guide them in their preparation. Of course, with the commitment of the students to listen to the class with 100% focus, they can definitely take away a great deal of knowledge. This was in my case too. So even for my CA foundation exams, I got ample amount of time to work on myself, had several revisions, and worked on my schedules. So in case of practical papers like accounting, cost and management accounting, etc., the 2 hour session will provide all the inputs to solve a problem from step 1 to the final answer. The valuable inputs, the students shall proceed to solve the problem at their home. The wonderful part here is that having attached to this approach, the students shall finish a chapter in one day and can proceed with the next one on the next day. So this has been emphasized in our school system, right? Our parents used to insist us to study everything which is being taught in a day itself, not to postpone it. This is believed in our academy, as ample amount of time is available for the students to prepare after getting off from the class. There will be a great opportunity for registering the concepts and the students will strengthen themselves. In case of theoretical papers, right from the basics of the chapter, the session will lead to the crux and all the important points accompanied with the suitable examples, even from the nook and corner. After taking the class, when the student studies the chapter, they will be able to relate everything which were taught in the class. The concepts will get registered in the minds of the student. Taking notes will add more value. With the focused study, along with illustrative questions in the study material, the student shall be well versed in the concepts, of course, with the several amount of revisions. The chapters will go in a good pace. which, when matches with the constant efforts of the students, paves their success. This was in my case, exactly. In my CA foundation, I had 1 month time after the completion of syllabus. Okay, the 1 month time was available before the exams, and I was able to take several mock tests, self-evaluation tests, and revise several things upon my schedules. Now, I would like to talk about the other part where most of the students believe that listening to hours and hours of class will pave the success. Well, it's not the case in a professional course like CA. According to me, and according to the proven method, taking classes is only a part of listening. Listening is only a part of the studies. Okay, listening can't be the preparation studies itself. So after listening to the class, the students need to work upon it. They must pick their pen and solve the problems, right from first one till the last one in case of practical papers, and in case of theoretical papers, they should keep on revising the concepts, summarize it, and explain it in their own words, and start preparing. This is what works than hours and hours of listening, because the more amount of efforts the student puts on themselves are going to reflect in their performance in their examination, and not just the listening part. So I would like to summarize the key merits of the 2 hour session. Making out the essence of the chapter with intense explanation will be sufficient from the listening perspective. The students will get ample amount of time to prepare for themselves. Imagine only a 2 hours of class per day. If you're taking a regular BCom degree, the time which is left after can very well be used for the preparation. The students can solve the problems. And if you are not undergoing regular BCom, ample amount of time, several hours per day is available, and you can take on the chapters and you can prepare for that. Frequent and effective revisions, which are in fact the key success factors, because the syllabus is getting completed well in advance. Several schedules shall be prepared depending upon the strengths and weaknesses of each and every student. This is what is more important, because each and every student's strength and weakness will not be the same. So the student needs to analyze upon themselves and prepare a schedule for that. If at all the time is available for their preparation, they can execute it and study the concepts on the same day will help the students getting the concepts registered in their mind, and they can strengthen themselves. The time and opportunity to interact with their friends and the faculties. This is very important because the individual attention is being followed in our academy. Also, the time is required for taking the self-evaluation test, mock test, RTPs, and other question papers too. The choice of the study schedule based on the strengths and weaknesses, as I already stated. Completion of the syllabus well in advance, precious study time before the exams. And what is more important is that unnecessary physical and mental stress are eliminated. You need not panic for the examination, as you are very well versed in the concepts, and you're already well prepared. You can just keep on revising the concepts, and can be very well prepared for the examinations. That's okay. What is being expected from the students? The students shall attend the classes with full attention to reap the benefits. They shall put in the efforts to complete the day-to-day assignments, which is very important. And the students shall always be free and expressive when it comes to their doubts and clarifications. And the students shall create a good friendship circle to have good interaction between themselves and can enhance the knowledge. Yes, guys, this is the end of the video, and I would like to think, I would like you to think about the 2 hour session, because uh, we need not follow which is being told by each and everyone, right? Listening to hours and hours of class just not helps in a professional course. The students need to work upon it. They need to share their efforts. with the sheer dedication and hard work. This is what helped me to reach this success, and I'm believing on the same approach for my CA finals too. And wish you good luck. And last point is that even in COVID times, the video classes were the recorded classes were going on. That is, a faculty will be explaining the concepts through audio, and the video about the study material will be running in the background, so you will be able to relate it if you are preferring online classes. And the offline classes depends upon the ending of the visible end of the COVID situations. I wish everyone good luck and think about this 2 hour session and come up with great ideas and great success. Thank you so much.